Tring gegen ni mor masur pegim lobje katin jenki gegen yong tang. Leje pomokunda kumening une samji jastle lemang shu. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Leje ni mo changma dastle. Happy Staff Day. Leje ni mo dastle. Hello, happy staff day to every staff, and I miss you in this lockdown period, and I want to come back and stay with you all in the school. And happy staff day once again, and bye.
창말로 뜻리 드린 게겐 니모 인상 참디 창말로 공감상 게겐 쇠롭 축라 롭티 제왈라 규문닝 탁반이 토지치. Wishing you a very happy staff day. Thank you for being the best teacher.
Happy Teachers Day to all my dearest teachers. On this day, I would like to take the opportunity to express my gratitude for your hard work and all. Once again, Happy Teachers Day and bye-bye.
Happy Teachers Day.
Wish you all many happy staff day. Like your first day,
someday just play.
Happy staff day.
Tering leje nimula mosri pepin lokte ku chome chopshuni leje yongla chomde leje nimula test deri shubin.
Kamsang tring gegen ni mo la dastle. Happy Teachers Day. Happy First Day. Kojinang. Kamsang tring gegen ni mo la gege tang leje yongwala. Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you so much for being kind and being such an inspiration to us. Stay safe and be happy. Happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone. I just came here today to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day. And you're not just a teacher for us, you're also a friend, a guide and an inspiration for us, molded in one person. And we are very grateful for everything you do for us, for supporting and for loving us. Thank you very much and happy Teachers Day. Have a great day.
Happy Teachers Day. We will always be thankful to you for all the hard works and efforts you have put in for educating us. And thank you so much and Happy Teachers Day.
I'm lucky to have such teachers and staff members as wonderful as you are, and I'm wishing a very happy staff day, and the day may fill with lots of joy and fun. Thank you.
Staff Day is a special day to thank and remember all the staff and teachers who has shaped us and show our appreciation for them. This beautiful message is from our respected staff and teacher. Thank you for helping us to be all we can be. Because of you guys, we can see our future is bright. All the efforts and hard work you invest to bring out the best in us can be never repaid in a mere word. So we can only feel grateful for having a teacher and staff like you guys. Once again, thank you so much and have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Staff Day.
Leje nimo la testle tering leje nimo la kumunye khar shudu chungs lawena thanda bodo an ngajulok ma changma namgi chedo leje namgi ni maung bi dunam yakbo chunga chedo ngajula thutak to lamdio sangbo to wa tha ani gyapkyor khangtu tu chewala kumunye ning thamba ni thujina shwe an tering leje nimo thi tro yong melam ye.
Happy Staff Day to all the teachers and staff. Thank you for guiding us through this pandemic, though it had been very hard for you guys. Thank you for being the inspiration and light to our life. Thank you.
Happy Staff Day. 동모델의 레지 nimula 참지 쇼더다 안 tering kemi marangida khar shunde shos lawena ani da thanang mazo ngada ngade lokru phomo samota susu tile jungi thun thuba mache tadung susu keda tholubla doni susu gi mi dam thuba da susu gi mi khari ma ha khu thuba sangmata lega chimbo kharta chayume da ine susu gi thoblo dam thuba chamgi di sangmata suyu gadin leji sangma gi gadin be ani kumining thapane thujana shigi